My name is Olga Hart, and I'm the IT manager at Radiology Partners. You know, I fell in love with ITProTV, the concept. I'm an extroverted nerd. I self-proclaimed, by the way. But you know, when I first found ITProTV, I mean, I read everything on the website. I read, you know, Don and Tim's, you know, like how they got started, and it's like, and I get it, like, because I've been there through the years. Where how am I going to learn, right? What attracted me to this is I'm able to actually view everything off of my iPhone, so I don't have to be plugged into a computer. I don't have to be in front of a big TV. But the content is valuable, and so I take every opportunity. Even within my short time period of being a member for 6 months, I've already obtained 3 certifications. So you know, that would be the ITIL Foundation certification, the Various M certification, as well as the Agile Shift.